Good day, future LPTs. Are you going to take this coming licensure examination for teachers for September 2024? Well, this video is for you. It's another day, another items na palaging lumalabas sa board exam, especially sa general education. So, these are general education drills. Are you ready? Okay, so you can pause this video, you can save it, you can repeat it, you can watch it again and again hanggang ma-memorize mo na. I will give you 10 items per day. Okay, what if lumabas to lahat sa board exam, edi may 10 points ka na, 'di ba? So, lamang mo na 'yun sa mga iba pang nagte-take ng board exam. Let's start? Okay. So, the real name of Mark Twain, the answer is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. Again, the real name of Mark Twain is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. Ano nga ulit ang real name ni Mark Twain? Okay, very good. Now, let's have writ of amparo. When you say writ of amparo, this is the right to life, liberty, and security. Again, writ of amparo, right to life, liberty, and security. Okay? So the next one we have writ of habeas corpus. Writ of habeas corpus, this is the demand presence of the accused. Demand presence of the accused. Demand presence of the accused, that is writ of habeas corpus. And then we have penicillin discoverer. So that is Alexander Fleming. Discoverer of penicillin, Alexander Fleming. Next, we have author of Doctrina Christiana. Okay, so author of Doctrina Christiana, that is Fray Juan de Plasencia. Sino nga ulit? Fray Juan de Plasencia. Again, can you repeat? Okay, very good. Now, if the board exam will ask light travels fastest, that is air. Again, light travels fastest. Ano nga yung sagot? Air. Very good. Now, we have protons of silicon. How many protons does silicon have? So, answer is number 14. Okay? 14. Protons of silicon, 14. Now, we have fungi. Fungi, kapag nakita mo yung word na fungi at nandun ang yeast sa mga choices, the answer is yeast. Then we have law of bicameralism. So, the answer is Jones law. Law of bicameralism, Jones law. Again, law of bicameralism, Jones law. And then, kapag tinanong naman ng board, pagbabagong anyo ng bayan? Pagbabagong anyo ng bayan, the answer is reduction. Again, reduction, pagbabagong anyo ng bayan. So, are you ready to answer? Okay, itest natin kung natatandaan mo pa. Okay, let's answer. The real name of Mark Twain. The answer is, sino? Real name of Mark Twain? The answer is, who? What is the real name of Mark Twain? The answer is Samuel Langhorne Clemens. Very good. Now we have writ of amparo. Writ of amparo, the answer is, ready? Ready ka na ba kung sino? Okay. The answer is, let's see. Oh, okay, let's see. The answer is right to life, liberty, and security. Okay. Now, how about habeas corpus? Habeas corpus. The answer is demand presence of the accused. How about penicillin discoverer? Sino sagot? Penicillin discoverer, the answer is Alexander Fleming. Okay. Who's the author of Doctrina Christiana? Who's the author of Doctrina Christiana? The answer is Fray Juan de Plasencia. Very good. Now we have the next question. Light travels fastest in air. Very good. Okay. Protons of silicon. The answer is number 14. Okay, pag nakita nyo yung fungi, ano sagot? Yeast. Very good. Pag nakita nyo naman yung law of bicameralism, ano yung sagot? Jones law. Very good. Now, kapag nakita nyo ang pagbabagong anyo ng bayan, ano sagot? Ang pagbabagong anyo ng bayan? Ang pagbabagong anyo ng bayan, the answer is reduction. Okay, if you got all the correct answers, congratulations and good luck future LPTs. Please follow my video. Goodbye and thank you.